Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about 5 passive income ideas that you can start today with only $1,000. The first step in achieving financial freedom is to create multiple streams of income. It is one thing to create money while you are working. It is another thing to create money while you are sleeping or while you're sitting at the beach. Throughout my career as a private banker working for a large financial firm, I saw many clients, from teachers to business owners, use passive income to achieve financial success. Many of the YouTube videos you see online talk about trading in the stock market to create passive income. I will not be talking about those strategies in this video. I will be talking about passive income strategies that require no experience. So the first passive income idea I'm going to be talking about is digital products. Digital products include things such as resume templates, Excel templates, PowerPoint, Keynote templates, even website design templates. Literally, there's thousands of things that you can digitize. The great thing about digital products is that you only need to create them once. Unlike creating t-shirts or jewelry that you sell online, you have to constantly keep making those products or keep an inventory. With digital products, you only make them once. The great thing about digital products is that once you finish it, that's it, you're done. You're ready to start selling your product online. Your first option is to upload your own digital product to your own website or your own platform and start marketing your product in order to sell it. Your second option is to sell your product to a well-recognized brand such as Envato Elements, Canva, Etsy. These platforms already have a big audience, so it will be much easier for you to sell your product. The key to selling digital products is that to make sure that you have a high quality product and make sure that your product's in high demand. There's a lot of stories online from creators who are making thousands of dollars of passive income, and the only thing they needed to do is create ebooks or create website templates. The next strategy I'm going to be talking about is creating online courses. This is a great way to generate passive income. It is low cost, scalable, no inventory, and you can start selling right away to start making money. Your first option is to build your own website, upload your online course to your website, use Google Ads to drive traffic to your website. You can even hire someone from Fiverr for $10 to run your Google Ads. The second option to start selling your online course is to use an existing platform, such as Skillshare. This platform already has thousands of users looking at courses every day. So it's going to be really easy for you to sell your course on this platform. Anytime someone accesses your course through Skillshare, you earn revenue. You don't even need an online presence. There's thousands of creators online earning from $100 to $1,000 per month without having any type of online presence. Obviously, the most challenging part about creating an online course is obviously creating the course. Creating online courses can be extremely rewarding for you and can dramatically change your financial future. The next passive income idea I'm going to be talking about is writing online. And when I say writing online, I mean starting a blog, writing online for websites such as Medium, or selling an ebook. Out of these 3 ideas, selling ebooks is probably the most passive one. There are already hundreds of YouTube videos that teach you how to start a blog, how to pick your niche, how to generate traffic to your website. The key thing about starting a blog is that you need to be consistent. Writing ebooks online can be extremely profitable. Not only are you generating income through the sale of the ebook, you can also include links on your ebook that can generate extra income through affiliate marketing. The great thing about selling ebooks is that you also don't need a large audience. You can actually publish your ebook at Amazon or Google Play stores, where there's already thousands of users ready to buy ebooks and learn new skills. Writing online for websites such as Medium, it's another great way to generate passive income. Medium is an online platform that incentivizes bloggers and writers to write content to their website. And if you become a member of their partner program, you will get paid whenever someone reads your article. Another great thing about Medium is that you can even put in your links on your content. So this will help you generate additional passive income through affiliate marketing. Top writers have reported earning between $5,000 up to $50,000 of passive income through this platform. So to conclude, writing online is a great way to generate passive income. So you can start your blog, you can write online through websites such as Medium, or you can create your own ebook. So the last passive income strategy I want to talk about is YouTube. And this one could be a tricky one. You can spend months creating videos, uploading videos, and have high quality videos without seeing any results. But eventually, once the YouTube algorithm kicks in, you're gonna start seeing results. You're gonna see that your past videos are still producing views and producing passive income for your channel. And that's the overall goal for this channel. If you wanna watch my journey, how I go from zero passive income to monthly passive income, then subscribe and follow my journey as I create a YouTube channel and start creating passive income.